Hi friends, this is the USHA HF812T. This is the heat convector, and let's debug the problem in this one. Let us switch on. We get the power, but we don't get anything. This is in the fan mode, heater mode. Even on fan mode it doesn't work. The light switched off when I put it to off, so hopefully this switch and this switch, they are working, because this light also goes off when I make it to the 0. No, it doesn't go off. Only with this is connected. The power is on, but probably we have a this is the problem. This is the thermal cut-off switch, and it has to be connected like this inside here, and this straighten up, and which is connected to the bottom plate will connect back to the top plate, which is itself, so that is cut off. So this could be a problem of this, which is very obvious, and let us see by opening it. So let us open this. Will it open these two, these two, these two? Then it will come out. Let's do this. Guys, this is very simple now. I can simply fix this, because this is physically, I have seen this is already burnt. So this is on now. When this is heated up, this plate, the middle portion, is connected to the top. So top and this should be open now. I can say the bottom and this is connected now. The bottom and the top not connected. The switch is connected, condition now. It's connected. So once the temperature increases, that will go to the. So let us close this down. I have opened all the screws, so let me fix all the screws and then we'll test this up. This is completely burnt, melted. You can see it is melted. Let me So let us go and check now. So guys, let's start this. Switched on, and this is off. So let's put it to the fan. That is still off, I believe. So it starts functioning only. It's only working for the fan because I put only the fan. I can put the coil. I get the heat. I get the sound. That's okay. These are all fans and there is a coil. So I get the heat. And let me put to the full heat. Check the cutoff. Should not cut off. I put the new thermal switch, thermal cutoff switch here. I'll pause this. I'll come back after 5 minutes. 5 minutes passed. So now let us see. Increase the heating. I put double dot. That means more heat, and that is maximum. It's in the maximum. Let us see how long this takes. I get the heat waves behind the camera even. It should cut off after some time, but let us see how long it is. I'll pause this video. I'll come back after 5 minutes. 5 minutes passed. It is still holding good. So the thermal switch is working fine. So let's give a thumbs up. Thank you guys.